Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you the WhatsApp sales funnel strategy I do use to promote different products. Different products. I know how much I've generated using this strategy. Now what do you mean by sales funnel? Sales funnel. I know many of you must have heard about sales funnel building. How do they build sales funnel? So in this video I'm going to be sharing that with you. A sales funnel is just a step-by-step process that enables you to turn a stranger into a customer. A step-by-step process that helps you to turn a stranger into a fan or a customer. That is, from a cold water into a hot water. Just imagine you boiling a hot water, a water that is a cold water, and then you wanted to turn into a hot water. So that is what a sales funnel simply does. It turns a cold audience into a hot audience who can actually buy from you. A cold audience can't buy from you, and that is why you need a sales funnel to be able to build your KLT factor. KLT factor, that is, people must know you, people must like you, people must trust you before they can buy from you, and that is why you need a sales funnel. You can only achieve that. You can only convert a cold water into an hot water, a cold audience into an hot audience, a stranger into a customer, by using a sales funnel. And to build a sales funnel is very easy, very simple, and very logical. So that is all for the sales funnel definition. So for the sales funnel one, I'm going to be dealing with so this is how your sales funnel one looks like. You are going to be having your ad to your website, then to your WhatsApp, and then to your follow-up. That is, you follow up on them. So your ad, either paid or free, the ad consists of a flyer plus a sampler content. That is, your sampler content must showcase what your flyer is all about. So that's what an ad is all about. So your website you are going to be making use of, you can either use card, but I actually recommend card. So you are going to be making use of card during the course of this training. And your WhatsApp. So your WhatsApp, that is where you give them your money magnet. That is where your money magnet comes in. And your follow-up. So that is where it comes in. So your ad, a flyer plus a sampler content. So your websites are going to be making use of card. So your card, it will contain a short information about what that ad is all about. So here you are going to be promoting your money magnet. Here will be for sales funnel one, it will be an ebook or a short report, which is the FB Crazy Money, or any other of your choice. You can also create a short report for yourself. So that is your money magnet. Your money magnet is simply what intrigue your customer to what to actually buy from you. That is money magnet. It's actually build more trust. It make your customer to trust you the more. So that is what your money magnet does. So your ad will lead to your website, which is your card. Then your card will lead to your WhatsApp. Hope you guys understand it. So your ad will contain a call to action button. Your website will contain a call to action button. Your money magnet will also have a call to action button, the CTA, call to action button. Call to action button. Example of call to action button: get in now, opt in now, grab yours now. So those are call to action button. So for your money magnet will lead to your sales page. It will lead to your sales page. That was the reason why I said earlier that you should copy your affiliate link and edit it into your free report, the FB Crazy Money. So your money magnet will lead to your sales page, which is your seller account, your seller sales page, your seller sales page. So that is all for funnel 1. Again, funnel 1, we deal with FB Crazy Money as our money magnet. Don't forget, the main target here is for you to be able to what? Give them your money magnet. Your ad will bring about the known. Don't forget, we are dealing with the KLT factor here. So your ad will make people know you. To make people know you. And how can you let me quickly talk about this. How can you actually make people generate interest in you? That is where the power of copywriting comes in. Using the AIDA formula. The AIDA formula. The A stand for attention. So your ad must grab attention. Your ad must grab the interest of your prospects, and it must generate desire, and your call to action, the CTA. So your ad must generate attention, the interest must be intrigued in them, and they must have a desire for what you are actually promoting. And then your CTA also matters. How do you go about attention? That is where your headline comes in. Your headline, it must catch attention. Your headline, it matters. Example of headlines we have. So your headlines must always start with discover. These are what you can use. Discover the secret strategies so these are examples of headlines. So these are examples of headlines. I'm going to send you a series of headlines report. I think I sent it on the group, the copywriting focus. I'm going to say examples of headlines, hot headlines you can actually use for your ad, either free or paid. So your interest, it must generate interest. That is, that particular headline must generate interest in order for them to be able to read your sampler content. Your sampler content is the short pieces of content that comes with your flyer. The short pieces of content that comes with your flyer. And also it must generate desire. And then when it generates these three, your attention, interest, desire, then they will be able to click the link that leads to the website, which is your card, and then from your card to your WhatsApp, and then from your WhatsApp to your sales page. From your WhatsApp, you give them the free report, and then it leads to the sales page. Immediately after reading the report, it leads them to the sales page. So that is all for sales funnel 1. For sales funnel 2, it's almost similar to sales funnel 1. Don't forget, we are dealing with WhatsApp here, not email marketing. and dealing with WhatsApp. And also for your follow up, I think I'm going to say that in the conclusion part. I'm going to say that in the conclusion part, and I'm also going to give you a series of follow-up you can actually use. So this is WhatsApp marketing. In case you don't know, WhatsApp marketing. So for your sales funnel too, your money magnet, the only thing that will change here is your money magnet. Your money magnet for your sales funnel too will be a pre-sale content. Your pre-sale content is similar to your sampler content. The main difference is your pre-sale content is a long pieces of content. It can be a story, it can be that free report I sent, but you are going to be copying everything into your website instead of they reading it in an ebook. They are reading it on their website. It's just more, it is more or less like a blog. So that is a preset content. A preset content must actually solve a problem. It must actually solve a problem, and it must be similar to the product you are actually promoting. Let me give you an example of a preset content. So this is an example of a preset content. You see, the 3 mistakes most Nigerians make when starting a business and how to avoid it. So your ad must contain the 3 mistakes most Nigerians make when starting a business and how to avoid it. And your sampler content must contain a short pieces of information about this. It can contain maybe my auntie discovered this when it was 48 years of age, and it was so. Your sampler content must be related to your ad, but your sampler content and your ad must now be related to your pre-sale article, your pre-sale content. So this is an example of a pre-sale content. Things are falling apart. It seems the government is doing almost nothing to help out. So this is an example of a pre-sale content. And at the end of that pre-sale content, there will be a call to action button. Like, click this link right now so that I can send it to you. So you can actually use your preset content also to send your free reports, that is your ebook, or you automatically lead them to your your sales funnel. But I don't actually recommend your preset article leading to your sales funnel. I don't recommend it. I prefer it leading them to your WhatsApp, and then you follow up on them. So I'll actually retweak this to a more reasonable one. So that's your sales funnel too. The only thing that changed there is your money magnet. Your money magnet here is your pre-sale content. You can actually make use of this sales funnel one. You can actually tweak it to sales funnel 2. Instead of you giving them the free report, it leads, that is, your ad will lead, in this case your ad will lead to your card, then it will lead to your WhatsApp, then it will lead to your pre-sale contents, and then it will lead to your sales page, that is your seller products, seller sales page, the seller sales page. So from your ad, it will lead to your card. So your card, it will contain a short information, and you can actually exclude this away if you don't want to. You can actually exclude it. So this is option 1. So let me give you option 2 for your funnel 2. So you can actually exclude the card. For the option 2. That is, your ad will lead to your WhatsApp directly, and then you'll be having your preset content, then your sales page, which is your seller page, and then you follow up on them. You see, follow up matters a lot, because many people won't buy from you at the first instance. So they buy from you when you follow up on them. So I'm going to be teaching the power of WhatsApp marketing. I'm going to be teaching the power of WhatsApp marketing and how to generate more sales. So I have a series of follow up here, about 20 of them. So you don't have to start creating a follow up message. So everything is created for you already. So for the sales funnel 3, don't forget the only thing that changed here is the money magnets. The money magnets. That is what changed. Yeah. So for the sales funnel 3, your money magnet is going to be a WhatsApp class. A WhatsApp class. Yeah, I use this to generate a lot of money. A lot of money. So your ad will lead to your card in this case. Then it will lead to your WhatsApp, and then to your money magnet, which is your WhatsApp group. That is your WhatsApp class. And then immediately after the class, you give them your affiliate link, which leads to your sales page. So that is how funnel 3 work. You add to your card, to your WhatsApp class, to your sales page. And for your funnel 4, the only thing that changed here is your money magnets. And for your money magnets here, you are going to be having a video or a webinar. Don't forget, all this is done already for you. You can actually create yours also. If you are not satisfied with mine, you can actually create yours. For your money magnets, for your video, I've actually created a video, so I'm going to send it to you, and I'm going to teach you how to design your card accounts and how to go about all this funnel process using practical example. So yeah, your ad will lead to your card, then from your card to your WhatsApp, then from your WhatsApp to your video sales letter, to your VSL, video sales letter. That is your video or your webinar, and then it leads to your sales page. Don't forget, this ad, for it to link to your card, it needs a call to action button. That is a button. It leads to your card, then a call to action button again to your WhatsApp, then from your WhatsApp to your video sales page, from your VSL rather to your sales page. And don't forget, for your card to lead to your WhatsApp, that is where you make use of word.link. That is where you make use of word.link. So you are going to be creating short links, like, okay, for example, let's say you are working on an ad that deals with how to make money online, and then you explain it using card, and then in order for it to link to your WhatsApp, you make use of word.link. That is, word.link will actually reveal the type of message the person actually wants. So it can be, hello freedom, I am interested in the video sales letter that teaches how to make money online, so something like that. So your word.link will be very helpful in that case. So that is all for this video, and in conclusion, yes, I want you to watch this video over and over again, generate a lot of ideas, and write something down, pen something down. Don't forget, your sales funnel helps you to activate the KLT factor. You can't do without it. The KLT factor matters a lot when building a sales funnel. Thank you.